Huawei has recently unveiled its latest flagship smartphone, the Mate 60 Pro. Despite facing immense pressure from the United States, Huawei has continued to innovate and has come back stronger with its own HarmonyOS operating system and Huawei Mobile Services ecosystem. In today's video, we are going to talk about the impressive features of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro. The Mate 60 Pro features a 6.82-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1260x2720 and a 120Hz refresh rate. Huawei's Kunlun glass, now in its second generation, provides protection for the display. The device boasts a unique design with 3 punch holes in the display, including one for a 3D time-of-flight sensor, enabling secure facial recognition similar to Face ID. On the back of the phone, you'll find a camera ring housing 3 impressive cameras. These include a 50-megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization and a variable aperture ranging from f1.4 to f4.0. Additionally, there's a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, f2.2, and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera, f3.0 with autofocus and OIS. Powering the Mate 60 Pro is a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 88-watt wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and 20-watt reverse wireless charging. The device offers 12 gigs of RAM and is available in 256/512 gigabytes and 1 TB storage options. One unique feature of the Mate 60 Pro is its ability to make satellite calls, allowing users to make phone calls in areas without cellular connectivity. Currently, this feature is only available to China Telecom subscribers, but it may expand to additional carriers in the future. The Mate 60 Pro comes pre-installed with HarmonyOS 4.0, Huawei's own operating system. It is available in 4 colors, with the white and green models featuring a glass top and the purple and black models sporting fox leather. While the Mate 60 Pro is currently only available in China, it showcases Huawei's commitment to innovation and its ability to compete in a highly competitive flagship smartphone market. What do you think about the Mate 60 Pro? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next one. Peace out.